Hi everyone, this is Learning with Mr. Q. This video is part of a series on the grade 4 through 5 math FSA types of questions. I'm not going to be looking at how to solve these questions. I'm really just focusing on the types of questions that you're going to see. And so while the content may not apply to your grade level, but really the types of question is what we're focusing on here. And so for grades 4 and 5, there's 7 types of questions. This one that we're going to look at here is called the multi-select. And so if you come across a question on the Florida Standards Assessment, that's a multi-select, it's important that you remember that you want to fill in more than one bubble. So for these types of questions, you cannot just put one, you can't just bubble in one answer. There has to be more than one. So there could be 2, 3, or more, but there's definitely not going to be just one. And so when you see a question that says select all or mark all, anything like that, mark all, or select all the expressions that have the same value as 30 divided by 10. That's a multi-select. You need to put more than one answer. So you go through your process, you solve your question, and once you've narrowed down your answers, you want to make sure you bubble them in completely. So for this question, letter D and letter F are my answers. So notice how I have 2 answers. And also, it's real important. Do not put any markings in the other bubbles if you don't want them to be counted as one of your possible answers. So if you accidentally put a mark, just make sure you erase it thoroughly. And if you want to put a marking at the end of your answer choices, kind of showing you, all right, these are not the answers, that's okay to do, but just stay away from the bubble, okay? So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching Learning with Mr. Q.